I know you guys struggle with the Salsa 360. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's one of the most difficult moves in salsa, for sure. But for instance, if it's about a salsa romantica or just a slow music, I use the Salsa 360 in a different way, and sometimes the follower even doesn't realize that I'm doing a 360. So today I'm gonna show you, I call it now the 360 light version. Okay, it's because it's easy. Okay, and I have done already some videos. I'm gonna put in here in the link. For instance, the best exercises for 360. I'm gonna give you one example. Kannst du deinen Arm hier hoch machen? She doesn't know what comes now. Yeah, like that. Beautiful. And we do 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So this is one of the way you can train the 360. I love that. I was using it also for the membership and also on YouTube. Okay, check the video if you want to. But as I said, I'm gonna give you a beautiful light version. All right, which is actually not a 360, but it looks like a 360. Okay, whatever. And I'm gonna demonstrate what I mean by that. With music.
Para tu corazón hice una casa, la he diseñado pensando en ti. Está llena de luz y en sus rincones flores en versos nace un jardín. Para tu corazón escribí esta canción y quiero que la cantes para mí. Dime que sí, que hasta las flores.
So the ladies are really not aware of that. I'm doing a 360, and the only thing you need for that is the frame. You need to keep the frame. Okay. What I don't want you to do now is doing, for instance, she's here. Oh, I'm gonna do an example. Check. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. There is no need for that. Okay. So there are many people doing that. So what I do now is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Wow, so easy. Why it's so easy? Because of the frame. What is the frame? I don't know either actually what's the frame. The frame is that frame here. She's feeling my core through my arms. So I'm not leading with my arms. That's one point. So I'm leading with my core, which is here, my center, and I'm connected, and I give her this feeling, okay? So I'm not pushing here, I'm not pushing, there is no push at all, okay? But she feels, yeah, you can do that with a tree, whatever it is, yeah? You can dance with everything, but you need this frame. With that frame, for instance, if you go backward, we can do this. Wow. The only thing is my frame. So we think in 360, but I don't want you to think in 360. So to do this 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 6, 7. Don't think about that. Just try to circle while you're doing this cross body lead thing. Okay? Let's do it really, really slow and check how my feet are moving. But also in a second, check my frame. Okay, my posture. Okay, the posture is really important. Okay. Also for the ladies, you need to trust the guys for sure. But check. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Also, second point or the third point, I don't know, is the flow. I'm not interrupting. I'm not doing something special. I'm in the flow. I'm circling around. So you can try doing that alone. Yeah, we do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. All right. Nothing special, but it looks so beautiful, especially if you dance salsa romantica or slow music. I really recommend to train that.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
I'm hungry.
I was like, ich dachte, was ist denn los draußen?
Yeah.
As I said, keep the frame, okay? The frame is here, that. So, this is not the frame, yeah? Or the posture, okay? Check your posture, means to be like that, okay? Not here like this, like that, okay? The same happens for her, okay? So, well, this is getting loud here. If you would hear that, well, yeah. One more time, together. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. So we are facing each other, okay? Really important. So try to be always parallel to each other, okay? Now again, and now you check that we are parallel. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Look how parallel we are. So that's the frame, what I mean. So basically the frame is here, and this Rahmen. Ja, wir sind in einem Rahmen. And I'm either not going forward to her or backward. So there is no push, no. There's a dynamic, of course, but yeah, this is the light version, I would say, okay? Just make it, or try to just write in the comment if it works. I would really appreciate it. You can give me also a like if you want, but there is no need, because it's my birthday. So, Donnerwetter sage ich hier dazu, ne?
Yeah.
She was drinking coffee with me.
He just let me work and gave me nothing to eat.
So guys, I hope you like the 360 light version, and dance to feel it.